Yeah, I just want to show you what I do. Like when I'm not doing like any YouTube exercise video, this is what I do on the side right here. This is my job right here. So I just do this and also do YouTube videos. So let me just show you. Let me just show you my job. Let me show you how it works. This is called a grapple truck right here. As you can see, it has an arm, and I'm gonna pick this this up right here. This is all yard width right here. So I'm gonna pick this up right here. So I'm gonna show you real quick how it operates. I'm gonna put the camera so you can see it. So just bear with me for a minute. Yeah, so that's what I do for a living, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to work at this job right here. You know, I love it. It's easy, it's not hard, and at the same time do my YouTube video. So you guys just follow and like my video, okay? And I keep doing more videos like this. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.